Hey guys, Bad Luck Brian here. And as you saw in the last video, I had a little bit of bad luck with my rear subframe in the Miata. I discovered as I was finishing the Getrag swap that my rear subframe is bent. So, we got a problem. But I also have a solution. I've got another subframe there, which is not bent, and I've got a completely assembled Miata, minus the wheels. As some of you saw in a previous video, I tried to break my personal best for doing a full transmission swap on the Miata, and I ended up doing it in 1 hour and 54 minutes. I'm gonna try to get this done a little bit faster than that. Now I don't have time to do a full how-to on this, but I'm gonna set up the GoPro, do a time lapse, and then throughout the whole process, I'll be labeling on screen exactly what I'm doing. So if you are gonna do a rear subframe swap, you'll be able to do it yourself with a little bit of instruction. Now, one tricky part is right in there, the brake line does go through the subframe, so it does have to be disconnected, but I'm gonna do my best to do it quickly, and then I'll just have to do a quick bleed on this one caliper when I'm finished. Without further ado, I'm gonna switch you guys over to the GoPro and we'll get this started. Oh yeah, and it's 4:03 p.m. September 2nd. Alright, 45 minutes to get it dropped. I'm pausing right now because I'm having an issue. I think when I put the nuts on the old subframe, it might have damaged them. So I'm gonna try to find a set of new nuts and then I'll time myself putting everything back together. Well, I don't know what happened with the threads on the old subframe, but now I don't have nuts that will go onto the threads on the new subframe. Somehow I just don't have the right nuts. So what I'm gonna have to do is complete the swap, minus those two nuts, and drive all the way back to my NB parts car, which is like 30 minutes away, just to get two of those nuts so I can drive the car. 5 o'clock, let's see how long it takes to get this back together. Say I hope you're feeling better, and make believe it came from you. an hour and 1 minute. So 1 hour, 46 minutes. I did beat my transmission swap time. Now, I don't really advise working super fast like this. It's easy to miss stuff, it's easy to forget to tighten bolts, but honestly, I'm so burnt out and just worn down and tired with this car right now that sometimes I just have to turn it into a little game, and it keeps myself entertained. And it also kind of goes to show that no matter how much you think you have everything you need, or you think that you'll be able to turbo swap your car in a weekend, it just doesn't always work out perfect every time. So just keep that in mind, you guys, on your projects when you're taking on big stuff, especially when you're trying to figure it out on your own, when you're using basic tools. Just keep in mind that you're gonna hit snags, you're gonna have hiccups, but just keep on staying motivated. This is like the 4th day in a row that I thought I was gonna be able to drive my car, and it's still not gonna happen. But I'm hopeful for tomorrow, I'm optimistic. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Oh yeah, and just so you guys don't think I'm fibbing, there we are, we're all back together. Drive shaft is hooked up. All the arms are back in. All I gotta do is get those last 2 nuts that secure the diff in place, and then I can finish putting the torsion mount on, finish filming the GetTrack transmission swap video, and hopefully drive this thing. We're out of here. Bye-bye, parts car. Until next time.